Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to reset the oil light or the maintenance light on 2021 through 2023 F150s. And not only that, it's very important that when you do an oil change that you actually prime your engine with oil before you start. You don't have to, but Ford has a flood mode, and basically that's so you can prime your engine with oil. It's just, if you care about your truck, do this because it's going to pre-lube your engine before you actually start it dry with a dry filter, especially since the filter's on the top. So enough talking, let's get to it. You're going to turn your key on. You're going to wait for your menu to come up. You're going to press menu. Your menu is going to come up. You're going to use the arrow down. You're going to go down to maintenance, vehicle maintenance, press OK. Press OK here. Then you're going to go OK onto oil life. And what you're going to do here is you're going to hold OK until that bar goes all the way up. And then you'll successfully reset it, the oil light or the maintenance light. Now, after you did an oil change, you have a fresh dry filter on the top of your engine. You might want to prime it. So the way you do that is you hold your gas pedal all the way down as if you're flooring it. And you're going to crank it, try and start it. It's going to crank for about 5-10 seconds. Then you can turn the key off. But it will not start because it activates flood mode. So I'll show you. Shut it off, let go of the gas pedal, put your foot on the brake as if you normally would. Starts right up. Those 5 seconds, the engine is turning, it's building up oil pressure. It's filling up your engine with oil on every little corner there is. And that's how you properly prime your engine after an oil change. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.